Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set alarm on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the clock app. Now at the bottom row, just select alarm. Now to set an alarm, just tap on the plus icon over here. And from here, just set the time for your alarm. And from here, just select the days which you want to repeat this alarm. After that, if you tap on alarm name, you can give a name to your alarm. For an example, I will name this alarm Good Morning. Now, after you give a name to your alarm, and from here, you can set a sound for your alarm. Just tap on alarm sound, then tap on ringtone. And from here, just select a ringtone for your alarm. After you select a ringtone, just go back. And from here, you can enable or disable vibration with your alarm. And also, you can set a snooze time. For now, I will select 10 minutes. Now, once you set a snooze time, then go back. And finally, from here, you can change your alarm background. Now, just tap on it. And from here, just select background. Now, you can change the background from the presets over here. Or you can tap on gallery and you can select a photo from your gallery app. For now, I will select this one. Now, once you select your alarm background, then tap on done. From here, just select save to save your alarm. And this is how you can set an alarm on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.